how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Move into your ID banner and then head over to Sign In and Security. Click on Change Password. Enter your previous password for now. And now what you want to do is change your password. Create a new password and click on Change at the top right corner. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to Safari. In the source bar, search for support.apple.com. This interface will appear. Click on the specific device that you are using. It will redirect you to this page. In the source bar, you need to search for Apple ID disabled. Now simply click on Contact Apple Support. Now you will be able to get in contact with Apple Support. Follow the on-screen process and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.